The less I knew about air condition is that it doesn't work with water, but I came to realize that it has water in it, and it is ice water, as you see, and it is combined with the generators in it. This is the air condition, the biggest one is this one. Then let's, this is how it looks like. If you may see well, you can see icy. That is the structure. And if you are very keen, you can hear the sound of water. Then I've seen water inlet here, and it is made of generator. I see. You can see here we have water. In fact, it has turbines that tap that water, for sure, for sure. If you have never seen it and you just see air condition up, this is the one that we have here down. It is actually big. This is the back side of it. Back side of it. Let's see the top side. Top side of it. Sideways of it, and as you see, it has been connected to the steamer to the power. Then this is the front side, the speed, the function, the pump of the water. Then the its turbines are there. What did you know about it? What did you know about air condition? The less I knew, it has icy water. Nilikuwa nashangaa hii baridi inatokanga wapi? He, kumbe ni maji iko ndani ya ice, okay? Si tuonane next time. Kama umependa, hujaiona, saizi nimekuonyesha at least, sindio? Mi nilijuanga eti ni ya hospitali. By the way, I knew it as a hospital thing and mostly in ward side. But this is it. Hii inapigwangwa hadi watoto less than 5 days, okay? Bye, masalama till next time at our next video. Masalama, juju.